Oh, it's a blue Jeep Wrangler. Wrangler is really popular in USA. Wow, like angry birds. Really good color. If you have a head like Jeep Wrangler, just leave a comment. It's a really good car. I like it. It's a really good car for adventure. Yeah. It's need to clean maybe something, but I really like it. Good color. I don't like gray, white, but I really like so different colors: red, blue, yellow cars. Good, I like it.